What are you doing? Holding your nose? You gonna go under the water?
That's Pop-Pop Albert.
It's not coming in. Pop-Pop's coming.
Pop-Pop's coming in.
Let me see. Good job. Very good.
Yes.
You see that, Mama?
Yes.
Very good.
He swims like a fish.
We
don't even need to put.
That's good job.
We don't even need to put the fish in the pool anymore.
It's a good doggy paddle.
Look at me. Look at Nemo in the water.
Nemo, that's cold, Mama.
Nemo. Pop-Puppy's trying to grab your bathing suit.
Did you put